Investment Advisors. Let's make it happen. At Elite Credit and Investment Advisors, we believe luxury isn't just a dream, it's your destiny. Whether you're building wealth, improving your credit, or seizing exclusive investment opportunities, we provide the expert strategy and personalized guidance you need to reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine living the life you've always dreamed of. Luxurious homes, exotic cars, stunning vacations. With our 24/7 service and free risk-free evaluations, we're here to make that dream a reality. Why settle for less when you can have more? Elevate your financial future today. Let us help you design a life of luxury and prosperity. Remember, your dream lifestyle isn't out of reach. It's waiting for you to take the first step. Call us anytime at 877-587-4540. Let's start building your luxury lifestyle now. Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Your journey to luxury starts now.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. We are live. Rincon Rocks Radio is live and with special guest Emma from Elite Credit Investment Advisors, and we are talking about the 3 Pillars of Wealth program. Elite Credit Investment Advisors has 3 pillars of wealth. The first one's called Credit Mastery and deals with personal credit. We use Dispute Beast. We are an affiliate with Dispute Beast, and we do personal credit restoration and repair from wherever you're at all the way up to an 850. We can get that done for you. And we will start off with a little Dispute Beast advertisement.
4, 5, 6, or even a 7. You need to listen closely to this video. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for to finally get the credit score you deserve. Imagine starting. If your credit score starts with a 4, 5, 6, or even a 7, you need to listen closely to this video. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for to finally get the credit score you deserve. Imagine starting today, right now, and getting on the right track in less than 5 minutes. But don't just take our word for it. Thousands of people have used Dispute Beast to transform their credit and fast-track their way to new opportunities. We're seeing real results. Credit scores rising by as much as 146 points after 4 rounds and up to 206 points after 6 rounds. These are real people making real progress, and now you can be one of them. If you've tried credit repair services before and were left disappointed, or if you feel stressed every time you think about your credit score holding you back from that dream home, car, or business funding, you're not alone. Credit repair can be confusing, overwhelming, and let's face it, often costly. But what if it didn't have to be that way? Dispute Beast was designed to change the game. It's the most advanced, most effective AI credit repair tool available to consumers today. Built by credit professionals for people like you, Dispute Beast is powerful, secure, and incredibly easy to use. If you can use your phone, you can use Dispute Beast. With just a few clicks, you're on your way to improving your credit on your terms, privately, securely, and at a fraction of the cost of traditional services. So, how does it work? Dispute Beast's smart AI reads your credit report and provides you with the best course of action. No expertise needed. Within minutes, Dispute Beast will generate attack letters targeting all relevant negative items, not just within Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, but also with every data furnisher and 9 secondary bureaus. You even have the option to mail those letters directly from the platform. It's streamlined, fast, and proven to work. And we know it works. We receive messages from our users every day, sharing how Dispute Beast has helped them achieve their credit goals. Testimonials are pouring in from people who were finally able to get financing for their new car, qualify for better loan rates, or even secure business funding that they were previously denied. Dispute Beast doesn't just improve scores, it changes lives. We know DIY might sound intimidating, but Dispute Beast was designed for anyone to use. You don't have to be a credit expert, and you're not left to figure it out on your own. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Plus, Dispute Beast is free to use with an active subscription to Beast Credit Monitoring, which costs just $49.99 per month. Cancel anytime. No more paying thousands for traditional credit repair. Dispute Beast is your affordable professional solution. Our users are so thrilled with their progress that they're sharing their experiences everywhere. Dispute Beast has earned a near perfect 5-star rating on Google with hundreds of positive reviews from people achieving their credit goals. With a growing community of success stories, Dispute Beast is making waves in credit improvement, and we're just getting started. Dispute Beast users are seeing real measurable improvements in their credit scores. Our recent data shows that users who send out just 4 rounds of attacks and follow the advice in our FAQs see their scores increase by approximately 146 points across TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. If you go up to 6 rounds, that increase can be as much as 206 points. These aren't just numbers. They're life-changing results that mean more opportunities for you. Whether that's getting approved for a home, securing business funding, or finally driving the car you want, now imagine where you could be if you start this process today. In less than 5 minutes, you could be on your way to better credit. Don't put this off. Every day you wait is another day holding yourself back from the goals you deserve. Click the link below to sign up for Dispute Beast and get started right away. With just a few clicks, you'll be taking control of your credit journey and setting yourself up for success. Remember, the longer you wait, the longer you're putting off the future you want. You've been thinking about improving your credit for a reason. Maybe it's the house, the car, the business funding. By waiting even 30 more days, you're only pushing your dreams out further. Make today the day you take action. Don't let another day go by with regrets about what could have been. Start now with Dispute Beast and take control of your credit. Sign up below and take that first step. It's fast, easy, and you'll be amazed at how empowered you feel taking control of your financial future. Dispute Beast is here to support you every step of the way. See you on the other side.
All right. So before we dive into the actual...
And here we are. Live with Dispute Beast is our affiliate that we use for personal credit repair, and it is the most powerful and fastest AI credit repair that I've ever used. It's very, very simple to use. The price for our program on that, I'm going to let you talk right away. I'm going to go ahead and pull up our credit package for that. I believe I have it here. Let's see. Yes. All right, Miss Emma, if you would like to take it away and tell us a little bit about this particular package, I'll try to find the setting for you. There we go. Talk to us about this one.
All right. Hi, good evening, everyone. And it's nice to be back on the show. Yes, we have a credit mastery package that is very affordable for those who need on fixing the credit score, need education, that you wanted to improve on your financial side on the credit score history. So it's a very affordable package that we can assist you every day, and we have a full support to give you answer for every questions you have in mind. So we have the credit mastery package, a year program, a 1 year program, and it includes our book credit mastery that we can send to your home address. We can also send ebooks. We have also the monthly video support. We will send that one to your email. And the good thing is that if you wanna try and start it for just 1 month, you can just pay $97. So it's just very affordable with an education, with um a support, a personal mentorship with us, with Com and me. You can actually request one mentorship a week. And remember, it's for 1 month for only $97. But if you wanna get the 1 year program, it's about 1100, but we have good news. You can actually register for one-time payment, and we give more than it's about 50 percent discount, so you can just pay $600 and you have the whole year to be assisted by us. So that's a very nice program. So if you are interested, we can give you a free seminar or training on that. To give you more information, you just need to contact our toll free number, or you can message us on our page on our website, and we'll be happy to assist you.
That is awesome. That is awesome. So basically, let me just go ahead and get everything straight out. I know it's a little bit confusing. The actual Dispute Beast program costs $49.95 a month. That's going straight to Dispute Beast. What we are doing is we have written a book called Credit Mastery. We have a digital and we have videos. What we're doing is we're doing a personal mentorship for 1 year to walk you through the steps, because you can do it yourself for $49.95 a month, no doubt. And if you choose to do that, you can contact us. We'll send you a link. You can sign up directly with Dispute Beast, and you won't have any issues handling it all yourself. However, if you're the got Mr. Edward coming on here. There's Mr. Edward. Let me go ahead and switch on to my 3 here. Boom. There we go. Let's see. Should all three of us be? I don't know why we're not showing up in the little blocks. Let's try the other one. Hold on. Try 4. All right, we got one for 3. Just we'll just take it off. There, now we can see each other. Welcome, Edward. Can you hear us okay?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, so we were just going over Dispute Beast and breaking it on down. Mr. Edward is a Dispute Beast affiliate as well. and we're all in it together. We're attacking and repairing the credit as we build the credit up. The 3 levels of the wealth mastery in the program that we offer. It's called 3 Pillars of Wealth, and it deals with personal credit first, repairing and replacing and making sure your personal credit's online. The second thing is a business credit builder, which is called Smart Investing. That has to do with Credit Suite. That's our affiliate for Credit Suite. And with Credit Suite, you can build $50,000, $100,000, $150,000 in credit. And I just want to touch base on that a little bit this evening. We're going to touch base on the highlights for that. The difference is personal credit is based on your social security number, and it's slow and steady, but it can be repaired and it can be increased, and it definitely needs to be something that you're constantly working on. Business credit is credit built on your EIN number for your business, and it builds extremely fast. 30, 60, 90 days, you can have $50,000, $100,000, $150,000 in credit completely on your EIN, not hooked to your personal guarantee or your social. And finally, the market trading program that we do. We have an affiliate with TradingView, and we are offering a free TradingView platform as well as mentorship. Now, once again, all 3 of our programs have 2 layers to them, actually 3. The first layer is we are going to invite you to a free Zoom presentation where we talk to you about the layers of support that we can offer. One is do it yourself, and it's complete do it yourself. We're not charging a dime for that. We'll provide you with a link. You can sign up. If you've got time, effort, and energy and you want to throw it in there, you can do it all yourself. You can do Dispute Beast. You can do the trading platform with TradingView. You can learn to trade the stocks and the bonds and the Bitcoins or whatever. And then finally, business credit building. You can build your own business with your EIN. You can get your business address, your business phone number, your website, your business email. You can do all of this your own. Everybody knows there's plenty of do-it-yourself plans out there. We are not saying in any way that all of this can't be done, and we can offer you the best affiliates known to man to get started and do it yourself. However, this is what I've found. I've watched a lot of YouTubes. I've been in business for over 15 years. I've done a lot of things myself, taught myself how to do a lot of things. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have currently over 150 books published on Amazon. And what I've found is when I do everything myself, there's not enough time to enjoy life. It's just not enough time in the day. If I do the Dispute Beast all myself without the AI automation, it takes up time. If I do the stock investing and I don't have a mentor and I don't have somebody saying, hey, let me show you the pitfalls not to fall into. It's only 2 ways to learn. Make all the mistakes yourself or learn from someone that's made them and can help you get around them. So the mentorship is what we have here. It's an $1,100 package. You're going to get a 50% discount if you decide to do a one-time payment of $600. And that includes a gift of a men's or women's Invicta watch. So having said that, I'm going to go ahead and find one of our snazzy little commercials and run it. And then when we come back, Mr. Ed and I are going to talk, and we're going to hear from Emma again. We're going to try to start off with a little dispute.
What I wish I knew at 25 instead of 35. Credit Mastery is a game changer. Welcome to Credit Mastery by Elite Credit and Investment Advisors. Our free Zoom seminar is your gateway to financial freedom. With Dispute Beast Credit Monitoring, you get the most effective AI-powered credit repair tool on the market. Imagine boosting your credit score with ease, speed, and affordability. Dispute Beast generates dispute letters for you and monitors your credit across all 3 bureaus. Plus, there's a 110% money-back guarantee if your score doesn't improve within a year. How's that for confidence? Don't let a poor credit score hold you back. Join our Credit Mastery seminar and unlock your financial potential today. Whether you're looking for a free solution or a bundled package that fits your budget, we've got you covered. Call 1-939-739-4045 or fill out our contact form to arrange your Zoom appointment. Don't wait. Take control of your credit future now.
And we are back. So, talking about Dispute Beast and the AI generated attack system. Had another video come out today that I worked with, and it was fantastic. Another group of people that had their credit increased over 100 points on their first attack. I like to look at the statistics. If you can look at the Google Analytics, if you look at the report, you look at all the reviews on Dispute Beast, it's got a lot of really good reviews. You can click the button and have your attack sent out. You can download your letters, print them, send them out yourself on your own self-addressed stamped envelopes, or you can literally click a button and have them do all of the work. They'll print the envelopes, they'll stuff the envelopes, they'll send the attacks out, and then you just count down the days to when you do it again. And it's not too expensive. Depends on how many letters you have to send. But I have personally taken my credit from where it was in the low sixes to over 800 before with a very similar model back a few years ago before the AI. And what the AI does is it attacks the disputes, it attacks the inquiries separate, and it uses all sorts of metadata to make sure that your credit gets increased quickly and easily. So Dispute Beast is the bomb for real. We do have a daily Monday through Friday Zoom class where we can talk about that. We are also affiliated with Dispute Beast, so you can jump in and talk to the Dispute Beast people with us on a live Zoom. There was more than once or twice. There's 25, 30, 35, 40, even 50 plus people in that Zoom. So there's a lot of people taking advantage. What I want to talk about in specific tonight, I want to go ahead and find my little platform for the middle, the credit. Here we go. Let me go ahead and find my switch here. I think that, let's see, this one maybe. Yeah, there we are. So this is the financial education package, and we're going to talk about it just for a minute because there's so many highlights on this. All of our bundles, all three bundles, Credit Mastery, Smart Investing, Financial Education, they all have 3 layers to them. One of those layers is it's literally do it yourself. We just give you a link, boom, you shoot over there, and you do it all yourself. And that's the lowest price point. We have that available. You're one of those self-starters. Number 2 is there's an amount of personal hand-holding that we do for you. And that's what I really enjoy because we've done so much of it. We've built literally dozens and dozens of businesses for people. Let me kind of break this down to you on the financial education package. You get a book you get a digital, you get a softback book. Then in the digital, you get videos that take you through these steps. Now, the steps to business credit are amazing. We're talking $50, $100, $150,000 within 90 days, 6 months. All of these programs are targeted to be a year, but all of these programs can be accelerated depending on how fast you want to move. Now, what has to happen for you to get good business credit is first you have a business. So we help you discover and investigate and look into names, and not just names that we've researched and found out in your niche that will be a type of a name that'll be unique enough to attract people to you instead of the other guy, okay? Through analytics and AI and investigation. The next, you have to get your EIN. And it's not just enough to get your EIN. You have to know how to get your EIN, whether you use an LLC, sole proprietorship, partner. There's a lot of different ways to get your EIN with the U.S. government, and you've got to know how to go through those steps. Business phone number, virtual address, or an actual business address. We can walk you through all of these steps. A website's important, and a business email. So you don't want any Gmails with the professional business. You want, for example, They're in the process now of switching all of our emails over from Gmails to Elite Business and Investment Advisors.com. So it would be Cam at EliteBusinessInvestors.com email. That's a business email. There's a lot of vendors won't sign you up with a Gmail, and that's just one little trick. Okay, you've got to have a business email. Next, you got to get your business listed on the 411. We walk you through that. We literally hold your hand and walk you through the whole business. Now, once you get your business, you're going to need to build net 30 accounts. What's a net 30 account? Well, that's an account that will sign you up, no documents, no proof of being in business, no financial income, simply on an EIN for 30 days. And that might be office supplies. That might be Quill, Uline, Granger, Nav, Summa. All sorts of different places will give you a $2, $5, $7, $9, $12, $20,000 line of credit simply for signing up. Okay? Then you need those. You need a minimum of 5 net 30 accounts. There's magic numbers in credit building. That's one of them. So all of this information is available out there through videos and on by Google and on the web. The thing is, when you sign up with one of our programs, you're signing up with a family that's been through it and had done it and is familiar with it, and we can walk you through without you having any of the issues. So that's what the financial package is about. We can help you with logo design. We can help you with Duns & Bradstreet. And 30, 60, 90 days in, your business is up. You're pulling from your EIN, not your personal guarantee. Okay? So Emma, tell us a little bit about this package while I've got it up there. For somebody that wants to start their own business, tell us what the steps would be.
Okay, sir. Well, if you are planning to set up your own business, just contact us so that we can start working first on your. We're gonna give you some proposal on your business name depending on the market or industry that you are planning to get business. So they just need to contact us, sir, or fill up the form on the website, and from there, we'll be by their side.
Fantastic. Ed, what do you think about this kind of a business package? You've been around and you've seen some entrepreneurship. You've seen some things. Does this sound like something that would be a good package for people trying to start their own business?
Yeah, definitely. Like the whole navigate.
Little technical issues coming from Ed's microphone. Ed, you got a little bit of fluctuation in your mic, my brother.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
I think that's better. What do you think, Emma? That's better, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good deal. So you were saying, Ed?
I was just saying that it sounds like it's going to be really pretty good because of the fact that, like you said, it'll be like kind of holding hands and kind of navigating through everything, all the ups and downs in order to get moving and get going into your adventures, especially when it comes to e-commerce.
And it's very fast too. Let me just say this: we assist you building a website, which means it's the website price is included in the price. You got to have a website, even if it's just a landing page and a contact form. You've got to have a website for a present these days. We show you how to build your Instagram, how to build your Facebook, how to build your YouTube channel. All of these social medias have to be tied back into your web. There's just a lot of little do's and don'ts. And the do's are critical, and the don'ts will get you messed up. You can put the wrong address in. For example, I'll give you an example. If you start your business up and you put a P.O. box, many people have, and you sign up for 411 and you sign it and get your business rolling, you get your EIN. If you put the P.O. box number on your EIN, it's frozen for life. You can never change your address. You're just stuck. So that's a little something that you want to know. You've got to have a brick and mortar address. And if they put your address in the Google find and it's a residence, which means house or a home, that's another huge no-no because they're looking for a business address. Now, you can use virtual addresses. For example, a virtual address is where you can receive mail or you can have mail forwarded from that virtual address to your home, but it's got to be a brick and mortar. So, for example, if I put a virtual address on my EIN number, on my business location, I've got to be able at some point to be able to walk in that office, sit down at a desk, and interview potential customers and clients. It's not have to be an everyday thing. Usually they throw in a few hours a month of personal time so you can go buy and get your mail or whatever instead of having it forwarded. But I mean, there's a lot to it. And for this amount of package, starting off at $1,100, that's $97 a month for a year. And it comes down to $600 if you pay it at one time. Personal mentorship on any level when you're dealing with live human beings. And we've got a lot of people nationwide. We've got the call center in the Philippines with Emma that Emma runs. We've got myself. We've got a group of mentors that works with me. I'm not a lone ranger either. I've got people in the stock market that I work with that you'll be directly connected with. I've got people in Dispute Beast that you'll be connected with. I've got people in Credit Suite that I've been working with over a decade. Credit Suites, who provides us with the business credit building. And last but not least, I've got people in the TradingView that I train with every day that I've naturally, if you're working with us and you're our customers, we'll refer you over for some free seminars and free training. And, there's a lot of bells and whistles that go into this. So having said that, I'm going to go ahead and pop one more quick little commercial up, and then we'll open the floor for questions and answers.
You need to hear this if you're curious about trading stocks or crypto but worry about losing money. Let's talk risk-free learning. Welcome to Elite Credit and Investment Program, where you can learn to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies in a completely simulated environment. No risk, all reward. Imagine gaining the skills to navigate volatile markets confidently, all while using TradingView, absolutely free with any package bundle. That's right, a professional-grade trading platform at your fingertips with zero financial risk. Our simulated trading experience lets you practice real-time strategies, test your knowledge, and grow your confidence, all before you ever put your money on the line. It's the perfect way to learn and master the markets. Ready to start your journey? Call 1-939-739-4045 to schedule a free Zoom class, or visit elitecreditandinvestmentadvisors.com to fill out our contact form. Don't wait. Take control of your financial future today with risk-free trading powered by TradingView. Elite Credit and Investment Program. Your path to mastering the market starts here.
All right. So you saw that the TradingView has a QR code at the end of it. Our video does. You can literally sign up on our link and go to TradingView and do all the trading yourself. But as anybody will tell you, there's a lot of gadgets on that TradingView. Okay, there's a lot of bells and whistles. It is something that is. Some folks have studied it for their entire life and still haven't mastered it, and other folks learn it just a little while and they'll show you the ins and outs, and that's where we're at. We want to walk you through the process of trading stocks and get you trading and winning right away, so that you don't have that huge learning curve of learning what all the bad gadgets and bells and whistles are. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you guys a little bit of the TradingView platform. It's pretty radical. I think you'll enjoy it. Let me know, fellas, Miss Emma and And Ed, when you can see my trading screen, can you see it?
Not yet, sir.
All right, let me make sure I hit the right buttons. So go back here. Up, there we go. How about now?
Yes.
There we go.
Uh-huh.
All right. So this is what it looks like when you open up your TradingView screen. We're going to go up here to our search and stock, Bitcoin USD. We're going to play a little bit with the Bitcoin. Now, Ed, what do you think of the Bitcoin? Can you believe what it's doing today and what it has done? You see where we're at? We're at 104,234. And when we started playing with it a couple of days ago, it was what, around 100, flirting back and forth?
Yeah, it was definitely around that. I mean, especially what's going on with the news right now with everything in the stock market and everything. I could definitely predict that this will be the case, and it's really good to see.
It is moving. I'll tell you about a personal trade that I had. Let me go ahead over here and see if I can find it. If I can find it, I'll upload it. So about 104,000 on the Bitcoin right now. And what you do is once you log in here, when we log you in to we get you first off immediately when you sign up with our program, we get you the TradingView platform. We show you how to log into paper trading, and paper trading is simply automated trading. It's the live stock market. This is the same software you'd be using if you're trading real stocks. But then we come on in here and we practice in a simulator. So I'm going to reset my account at 100,000. They start you off with 100,000. And the reason they start you off with 100,000 on Bitcoin is because it's always trading right around 100,000. So they want you to have enough to trade a little bit without getting so crazy. Then you click your trade button and you get your trade button in. You got market prices, different things you can do with your trades. We are going to find our trade button. We're going to get on around here just a second. My 1 day. My startup. Get right here with my green and red candlestick. There we go. We're on a market order. 3 orders you can get is the market order, the limit order, the stop order. We're on buy. I'm looking at buy indicators. When I can buy here, and then I can wait a few minutes and sell, just to see how that goes. It looks like there's pretty decent buy indicators, so I'm going to go ahead and click the buy button. Last night, I believe when we were trading, we trade Monday through Friday, and I believe last night what did we clear, Ed? 7,000 or 8,000 in 15, 20 seconds? Something like that.
It was for like 20 seconds or so.
So right there, I just bought in, and you can see that and it's hard to see because I've got the StreamYard on, but inside this little bracket is some red numbers. That means that from the time I bought it to now, it's vacillating up and down a little bit. So when this turns green, that's going to be a sell indicator. I'd reach over there and sell it. In the meantime, you don't have to sell. You can let it sit and build up as much as you want. One evening, Ed and I traded in the afternoon. I came home. I left my buy order in and waited till the next day. And when I woke up, it had improved. At the market pop in the morning, it moved $10,000 overnight. So the really awesome thing about the way we train is we're teaching completely 100% risk-free. It costs nothing other than the package price. For a year, we're going to train with you in the market Monday through Friday if that's something you're interested in. Okay, so you see these numbers turn green right here. That means they're profit. They're in the money. We're in the money for plus 96. I'd like to see it go a little higher to make $100, at least a minimum of $100 per trade. So we'll let it sit just a minute, see if it pops up there over 100, and then I'll sell. So just in this few seconds we've been talking, it has moved up, and there it is, 136. So I'm going to go ahead and sell. So what we have is I bought in. You heard me buy in. I bought the market order. Now I just sold, and you can't barely see it, but right here, if you could see it, if you could zoom in right here, and again, because I'm live on StreamYard, it won't let me do a natural zoom. But we literally just made $144 in under a minute. And you're not going to do that every trade. Some trades you're going to make $50 to $100. Some trades you're going to make $2, $3, $4, $1, $3, $5, $7, $9, $12,000. Okay. So while I have the charts up, now charts are moving in real time. That chart that you're looking at right there going up for green is the Bitcoin US dollar chart that's live on the market, because the Bitcoin does not sleep. It trades 24/7. All right, so the floor is open for discussion. Ms. Emma, did you have any questions about the trading chart or anything like that while we're live?
None so far, sir.
Are you just ready to make about 100,000?
Oh yeah, we did 1 million on the training. That's
Tell us about that. I had
before.
Emma training back in the day a little bit. Tell us what you did, Emma.
Yeah, I just focused on trading when we started on the platform, and I don't know, it went up to 1 million.
You made $1 million in the trading software.
Yeah,
You hear that?
it was just a luck or just the pattern.
Ed, she's ahead of all of us. I think we were racing to 1 million. I think she beat me.
Yeah, I can tell. I mean, I tell you what. I mean, right now as we're speaking, I got mine up right now, and I see the up that it has, and it's really moving right now. Really moving up and down a lot, very fast. It's very volatile, like you say.
Yeah, it's very volatile. It sure is. Well, I just want to mention to everybody out there, no matter what you're doing, what your walk of life is, if you are at all motivated to take yourself from where you're at to a better, more luxurious lifestyle, now that looks different to everybody. That might be an extra $500 a week to pay bills with. That might be a car payment a month. That might be maybe a nest egg to put kids through college. It might be to pay off your mortgage, pay off your home. It might be to buy a second home and rent it out. Whatever your idea is of prosperity and moving forward, we can start where you're at with the personal credit repair. We can enter into the business credit building, help you build your niche market business, the one you've always dreamed of. And if nothing else, we can help you trade the stock patterns and learn the ins and outs of the market completely risk-free. No real money risk here at all. This doesn't cost a dime for us to show you how to trade. And if you do at some point have a hankering to open up an account, we have a discount on an actual trading account with a broker, because you'll have to go through a pattern day trading broker to trade. And we can get you signed up with that, and then you can trade real money. And this is a lot more serious than trading just on your Robinhood app or something like that. This is the actual stock market trading, buying in, buying out, buy and hold. And we'll lend any resources we have to you to help you along the way. That's the key. That's the secret. So we've been on for a little bit over 30 minutes, and I like to keep it between 20 and 30 minutes. I don't want to keep you too long. We are on 3 times a day. We're trying to do 11, 3, and 7, something like that. And we are working on scheduling to do more live training. But the true secret is to call us at that 93 number, 939-739-4045. Talk to Miss Emma. Get on a schedule to go to a free Zoom class, and you can pop into as many free Zoom classes as you want, where we break the packages down even further. And if you do nothing else and you just want the link to start on your own, let her know that. So, Miss Emma, if you'll close us out, I'll get ready to play the commercial and jump off.
All right. Well, thank you so much, sir, and of course to Edward. Thank you for joining us tonight, and to our viewers out there, if you are ready, then just contact our toll-free number. Um, Tomorrow we're gonna put it on screen. That would be 939-739-4045. Just look for my name, Emma, and we are open 24/7 if you need assistance. And get your
Awesome.
discount. Thank you.
Edward, we can't thank you enough for popping in. We'll look forward to talking to you again live later. And remember, guys, we'll do anything we can do to help you get where you're trying to go. So I will See you tomorrow.
Audio Jungle.